I have travelled to sunny Perth, and you might recognise this garden that I'm in. I'm at Trevor's place to show you the creation of these funky Gabion rock boxes. They can be used as retaining walls, planter pots, or as a division feature in the garden. They are extremely practical and durable as they are made from a galvanised wire which is fully welded, so it is made to last a long time outside in the elements. The boxes require no assembly, so it's easy for anyone to make a stunning feature. A handy tip to keep in mind before filling the Gabions with the rocks is to make sure that you're happy with the position of them in the garden, because as you can imagine, they're going to be pretty heavy to move once they're filled. And if you're creating a retaining wall, make sure the ground is nice and level beforehand. All you need to do is simply add rocks or pebbles of your preference. At the top of the Gabion box, you'll see there is this reasonable gap. This is where you'll pour your rocks until it's filled to the brim like this one. With a lot of different sized stones to choose from, try selecting some similar to these ones. This is a 35mm stone, which is an ideal size if you're looking to recreate this in your own garden. But you can use any stone that ranges between 35 to 50mm, which will suit really nicely. The wonderful thing about these boxes is that they can be used for multiple different purposes, and a favourite for me is to use them as a planter pot. Simply line the inside of the centre cavity with weed mat or a breathable fabric and fill directly with potting mix. Add a plant and you have a modern spin on a traditional planter pot. Another option is to use these Gabion cubes. Fill them up, place a wooden block on top, and you've got yourself a bench seat. So if you're looking for a garden DIY project to get a little bit creative with, why not try installing one of these modern, fun, decorative landscape features for your garden?